shot. Okay, let him get a screeny. He loves me? Yes. Yes. This is 2 reasons why build boat is not fun. 2 reasons why build boat is not fun. Okay. My first reason is building is not fun. Destroying is better. Destroying is way better. And if someone says it's not, I will murder them. Okay, and the second reason is look at how bad fart this is. Look at this bad fart game. Bad game from Bad Fart Games. Look at how bad fart this game is. Like, look at how bad it is. Look at how bad. Like, look at how bad this is. Look at how bad this is. Destroy Boy is mad. He hates this game. He really just wants it to get taken down so Roblox has a seizure. No, you fat fart. Destroy Boy fans only. Destroy Boy fans only. Yeah, this is why you shouldn't play Build-A-Boat. 2 reasons. Okay, so my last reason is I hate when I die because destroying is so much more fun. And destroying is so fun. If you don't like destroying, then I will actually is murder you. Have you seen my YouTube? Have you seen my YouTube? Okay, let me turn on my graphics quality. Okay, yes, good channel. Good, yes. Do sub or I fart in pee. Do sub or I fart in pee. Go commit fart in pee. I'm gonna go commit fart in piss. Fart in piss. I'm gonna go fart in piss. Destroy Boy is the good boy. Hey, stop being mean! I hate Team Trees. If you like Team Trees, I'll pee on you. Sit down on my butt. Sit down on fart boat. Down on fart boat. Destroy. Oh boy, like you saw on VC. Hold on, guys. Destroy Boy's gonna he wants to VC ya. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna hey guys. First of all, I gotta he's gonna VC. You need to. Hey, he's gonna VC you. I'm gonna VC my bed. He's so cool. He wants to get VC'd. He's my favorite. He's my favorite diarrhea fart. He's my favorite boy. He's my favorite fan. If you hate him, I'll kill you. I'm the greatest of all fat farts. Okay, guys, I'm gonna, so guys, it takes a little bit for me to actually VC him because I need to, log into my account because, I hate farting sometimes. Like, I just want a fat fart and then, okay, well, I want to VC. We're gonna VC real quick, so, guys, I gotta actually, like, I'm opening Discord because okay, he's sweet and he's a fart. He's my best man. Yes. Yes. I am.
actually you.
Hello, it's me, Destroy Boy. Sorry, I had to connect my mic. Sorry.
Oh my god. No way. It's actually Destroy Boy.
Yes, it is. It's always been Destroy Boy. I'm the good. I'm the best YouTuber of all time. And you're my biggest fan. You're the first subscriber of Destroy Boy, I think. No, I don't know if you are, but you're the biggest fan, aren't you?
Yes.
Yay! We're gonna go drive. We're driving down the road. Ah! Ow! Destroy Boy got hurt a little bit. He's crying.
Oh no.
I don't know why I like this,
No,
this game. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if I don't know if I like this game or not. I think I like this game. I take back my statement, and this game is not bad. This game is not diarrhea. Okay? Okay, YouTube, I'm sorry. Please don't cancel me. Please, I'm sorry. No.
I won't cancel that. I won't cancel you.
I'm sorry. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm super sorry. Baby, okay. Fan, talk.
Oh.
Hello! Hello, fan! Oh my god, it's you! See, my biggest fan. My biggest fan, yes.
Turn on PvP right real quick, Destroy Boy.
Why? Are you gonna kill me? Mommy, man!
I would never.
What are you doing?
I would never kill you. I would never kill you.
Okay, I trust you. I trust you, loyal fan. I trust you, loyal fan. Hey! Hey! Mom! Help me, I'm getting murdered on! Mommy, this man's actually murdering me! I love you, I hate you. Mommy, I love you. Mommy, heart. Mommy, mad at you. Hold on, let me, I'm gonna upgrade Epic Boat right now. So hold on, let me start a boat.
You know what? You need help? I'll help you.
No, Destroy Boy is good boy. He doesn't need this help. He's good.
I'm building my boat over here.
Hey, what are you doing? You're using a bad block. Those blocks are terrible. If you use those blocks, you're a fat.
I'm using black turd blocks.
You're using the turd fat pig blocks. If you use those blocks, then you're automatically a turd fart. Look at my cool boat that I'm creating right now. Look how fat piggy your boat is. Boat is for fat pigs like Piggy. If you play Piggy, then you're certified noob.
No, Piggy kind of doo-doo.
Piggy kind of doo-doo crap. Doo-doo butt. Are you still flabbergasted that I joined the VC with you?
I'm still, like, shaking.
You're shaking and quaking. Because your diarrhea is about to come out. Right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Shaking and quaking, diarrhea wants to come out.
Gonna make a new Destroy Boy 5 on camera.
Won't do it because the diarrhea's evil. I hate diarrhea.
If you did a face reveal.
What?
If you did a face
I'm
reveal.
not doing face reveal. Only if I get 10 trillion subscribers, I'd do face reveal. Only if I get
Not 10. What if you hit 10 subscribers?
No, face reveal bad. Face reveal no good. I'm not gonna do face no.
If I donate $1,000.
But give me the money first, and then I'll think about it.
I feel like you're gonna scam me.
No, I'm your favorite YouTuber. I would never scam you. Look at this sweet, cool fart boat. I'm gonna save this. Guys, I kind of changed my mind. This game is not bad. Fart. I'm calling the boat Fart. Okay, you are fat fart, and now I'm gonna launch. Ha ha ha! Ha! I'm gonna fat fart on you. You got scammed.
I'm in a boat.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I scammed
I'm
you.
in a boat.
Favorite.
How dare you scam me? Hey, do you know who Johnny Von Van is?
Yes. I know who it is. He's a
Are you
really
his
good
friend?
friend of mine.
No way. He's actually a friend of mine too.
Really? Oh my gosh. And
You know who?
I heard he got banned twice, I think. Yeah, he got banned twice, I remember. He told me he got banned twice for making really good games. Roblox couldn't handle those really good games. And you know what those really good games were?
I played them before.
Hey! Okay, guys, the video's getting like, let's check. Oh, the video's 11 minutes long. But, that's the quality time. But I'll have to see you later, fart gamers. See you later, fart gamers. Bye!